Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you guys how you could lighten any dark spots on your skin, your knees, your neck, underarms, elbows, whatever it is. You could use these masks to kind of lighten them. The first one, you need bicarbonate soda, also known as baking soda, and also some lemon juice or lime juice. All the quantities will be in the description box, so make sure you guys check it out. So basically you just want to mix these two ingredients and make a paste like so, and then you want to go ahead and apply it on the dark areas of your skin. You can repeat this maybe every other day for about a month or two, and you will definitely see results. You just need to be patient and consistent. So you just want to go ahead and apply these masks like so, and I am showing you guys two different remedies in this video. You guys could kind of alternate those two recipes or remedies as you like. So basically you just want to let this dry for around 30 minutes, and once it's dried you want to kind of go ahead and scrub it gently. So the baking soda and the lemon juice will act as a skin lightener. This is not going to lighten already light skin, so if you want to be white, this is not going to work. If you have dark spots on your skin or uneven skin tone, this will work. So you just want to wash it off with water or a face cloth like that. And the second remedy, you need sandalwood powder and some milk. You can also use lemon juice in place of milk. Basically you just want to make a paste like so, and just like the previous scrub, you want to go ahead and apply this all over your dark areas and let it dry for around 20 minutes. And once it's dry, you just want to take some water to your hand and start scrubbing it gently, and then finally wash it off and pat it dry with a towel. Repeat both of these masks. You could alternate between these masks for around 2 months or so. Use it every other day and you will definitely see results. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.